proximity.
Oh, I thought you said clothing.
They're communicating that they've had enough of our visitation.
Yeah.
But even that, they're being very patient.
Unbelievable. It is so beautiful. Wow. I feel like I don't want to miss the show. I don't want to miss when they all like depart.
Yeah. Well, what'll happen is, as the weather gets cooler tonight, they will get less active. There's a good chance that they will be gone before that happens.
We don't want to be in
Yeah.
storm.
Yeah. There's a freshly caught swarm in there that's establishing these new pots. And two establishments over there, especially the big tall one. I mean, those bees have been there for almost a year now. Well, 6 months. So.
Okay, over here.
Yeah, what happens with bees is that they fall in the water and they can't, and they might be loading up for a trip. If you want the bees to be safe in the water, get a wooden block of wood that's about the size of exploded in there.
Okay. Oh man, I wish I could get. So those are all good females.
If there are drones, they're males. Worker bees are all females.
Right.
The only difference in the queen and the worker is how they're fed when they're little, like itsy bitsy. If you take a fertilized egg and feed it royal jelly until it's capped, you get a queen. And if you feed it for about 3 days royal jelly, and after that honey and pollen and junk, you get a worker bee. So that's why, like, if you hurt the queen, if there are some young eggs or very young larvae in there, they can raise a new queen. They'll just feed the prospective worker. They'll feed it differently, and it'll turn out to be a queen. You okay, Brent?
Yeah. You got it under control?
Well, I hope so. I mean, as long as I got the queen, everything was wonderful. And I don't know if I got the queen. Even under the best circumstances, I can't see, but I feel like somebody getting in the hand.
You'd be able to recognize it's quite large compared?
It's larger, but there's so many of them moving around,
Yeah.
I have trouble noticing them, honestly.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll put it down gently. Can we suspend that thingy there again and hang it up?
Yeah.
And then, assuming we got the queen, though, the rest of these will follow.
Some more we can brush off. There we go.
Wow. Woo. So are they actually moving down? It's just not, there's so many you just can't tell that they're moving?
They should be moving down. If they got the queen in there, the queen will go. Queen avoids lice. Queen doesn't like lice. She's going to go in. And then the rest of them will say, hey,
Doesn't like
queen
light.
is not here, and neither are we.
Yeah, one of them got it.